waiting to say hello to Annie and Chris. Yeah, I'm alright. And you, love? Hey? Thanks. See you later. Hang on. Hello? Oh look, he comes out. Are you filming? Here he comes, look, he's got his new shirt on. You're not isolating now, are you?
I'm not isolating anymore, no.
Good lad.
I'm actually just doing the housework.
Oh, I thought you was having a barbie.
That was yesterday, John.
Oh, fuck, I've wasted my fucking time, haven't I?
You can still cover it up a cuppa, can't you?
Yes, I suppose I'd better.
You
Say
don't need to
goodbye.
film the inside of my house.
Eh?
You don't need to film me doing
No.
the housework. Are you filming then?
I've just started filming the bird table because I saw some birds there and they've disappeared now. I've started filming.
Well, don't film all my bloody dirty washing or clean washing out.
Is that a pair of Jules's panties on the line there?
No, actually they're mine.
Oh my god! Oh.
I can go and get some if you like. You could slip some on while Vice out, John, and see, you know, leave your scent on them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
You know
it's
what?
not.
There was loads of great tits there just a minute ago,
Yeah.
and they've all flown away.
As soon as they saw the camera, unlike you, who saw the camera and started posing.
Oh yeah, that's right. Have you noticed, John, by the
What?
way, that I'm talking more quietly today?
You are talking a bit quiet, yeah. What
Yeah.
are you talking about? Is that because you're sitting right next to me?
No, I've put my hearing aids in today.
Hearing aids?
Yeah.
Well, you're not deaf, are you?
Oh yeah, I have a hearing impairment, yeah. And I got pissed off with you, Andy and Jules keep moaning at me for shouting.
Oh my god, I didn't even know you was fucking deaf.
It's none of your fucking business. But anyway, so I put
Let's have a look at your hearing aids then.
I've put my hearing aids in today. Well,
Oh.
you can't really. It's just
Oh,
two.
yeah.
But
You got
Jules-
one in each ear?
Yeah. So Jules, yeah, I put them in yesterday, and Jules said,
Is that why you always appear to be never listening to what anyone says?
"No, that's actually out of choice." Well, as far as you're concerned,
Oh,
that's
I'm
out of
really
choice.
sorry that I've shouted at you for shouting at me when you didn't even know you were shouting.
Well, yeah, I don't know I'm shouting. That's the problem. But yeah, Jules keeps moaning at me, and Andy keeps moaning at me, and then you moaned at me for shouting.
I've never known anyone like you. You've got so many bloody problems and still alive.
Oh, I'm retarded, aren't I? I take
You're not allowed to say retarded
Oh.
these days.
Aren't I? Not even about myself.
Not even about yourself. No, it's
All
about.
right, I'm not retarded.
I thought you fucking retarded. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry about that, Dan. Why didn't you say? Oh, because it's none of my fucking
Yeah,
business.
It's none of your business.
Well,
But I put them in yesterday, and Jill said to me, "God, you're speaking so quietly all of a sudden." And I said, "Oh, I've put my hearing aids in." And after about a couple of hours, she said, "Do you know what? I really don't like it. Can you go back to shouting?" I don't think Andy's going to say the same though, so I'll leave them in now.
are you going to keep them in then?
Yeah, I'll try.
Oh.
I don't like wearing them, but
Oh. I think the trouble is you keep them in, you're going to realise how loud that bike of yours is. The bagger. You're going to realise how loud it is and get all embarrassed.
well, I won't, because as far as I'm concerned, kind of on Harleys, the louder the better.
Oh.
And I'm going to put the bagger up for sale. If anyone wants my bagger, by the way, let's do
Oh,
a quick
there's a
advert.
starling, look. A young one. Sorry, yeah, the bagger's up for sale.
Yeah, so if anyone would like my bagger...
If anyone's got 75 grand,
No. I spent 47 grand building it. I've got a list of the build sheet and the parts. I will accept 37 grand. I'll take a 10 grand loss in it, plus obviously my time goes for free. I'll take 37 grand for it. So if anyone fancies a show-winning, front page magazine featured bike that's absolutely fully loaded, air rides, 120 engine, etc, etc.
oh god, it's turned into an advert.
There you go, advert over. Look at the styling.
Yeah, so everyone, Dan's selling his bike 37 grand. If it sells through my channel, I get 20%, so do your best.
When did we negotiate that?
Well, we didn't. It's just all automatically presumed on my channel.
Right, okay.
Anyway, say goodbye, Dan.
Oh, are you going to tell them that you built that bird table?
I built that bird table.
It's very nice and rustic. I'm very fond of my bird table.
When you say rustic, what you mean is
No, rustic.
fall into bits.
No, I mean it's rustic. It's very nice.
Yeah. I built that just in an hour or so. I think.
It's very
Well, you
good.
said to me you wanted a bird table.
Yeah,
The next thing you had one.
yeah, and I'm
You
very,
see, I spoil you.
I'm
don't I?
very pleased with it, John.
Good.
Really, it's really, and a number of people that come round and say, "Oh, I love your bird table. That's really different."
Yeah. Well, they're 60 quid each if anyone
Yeah.
wants one.
Is this John's shopping channel today?
Right. Alright, I'm going to turn off now, Dan, because you're annoying me.
Fair enough.
Say goodbye, Dan.
Bye bye.
Bye, everyone. Alright then, Dan, I'll say goodbye, you deaf old twat.
Sorry.
I'll see you tomorrow, Dan.
See you tomorrow, buddy. Have a good afternoon.
Thanks, mate, and you.
And next time you come, you inconsiderate bastard, don't block up my driveway so when my missus gets home from work she has a go at me about it.
She didn't ever go at me, funny enough.
No.
She said,
won't
don't
be-
worry, John, darling, you'll be
Yeah,
alright.
She said, hello, John. And she said, why have you let him park across the driveway?
Bye-bye, Dan. Get this right. See you later. Bye.